Hi, this is Tracy Siciliano with the House2Home Team, and I am here to take you on a video tour of our listing at 4515 Red Spruce Lane in Manlius. As you can see, I'm entering the home through the front door, and the first place I'm going to take you is this awesome home office. You'll notice it has plenty of room for a desk and lots of wonderful built-in storage and shelves, as well as some beautiful hardwood floors, which you'll also find throughout the entire first floor. As we go down the hallway to your left, you'll see this pretty half bath. Very nice. Hardwood floors. A great closet to your left, and a really spacious laundry room with lots of cabinets, beautiful washer and dryer. You have a sink and also tile floor, which is very convenient for a laundry room. As you continue down the hallway, you have the garage, which houses 3 cars. Awesome. Okay. Going back down the hallway, you have this wonderful 2-story foyer. You can see the stairs here. Very pretty. And to your right, we have a wonderful living room. Love the sunlight that's coming in here. Plenty of space for a lot of furniture. And again, more of those really nice hardwood floors. This connects right to the formal dining room. Love the tray ceiling in here. Lots of room for a dining room table. As you can see, this one seats 6, but there is certainly more room for a larger table if desired. This gives you an idea of how much space is in this dining room. I love the French doors too. It's great for entertaining, really nice flow. Now, one of my favorite parts of this beautiful home is the kitchen, which opens right up to the family room. So the kitchen features cherry cabinets, beautiful granite countertops. Love this island in the middle with lots of space for extra seating. Plenty of cabinets, countertops. It even has some glass cabinets here to show off some of your pretty dishes. Pretty backsplash. Beautiful gas stove. All the appliances are really in wonderful, wonderful condition. I'll do a close up here. Stove. That's a Jen Air, by the way. There you go. Microwave. Again, another glimpse. This. Look right out to the backyard from the sink. And great refrigerator. Beautiful. This house, by the way, is absolutely meticulous. There's more of those gorgeous hardwoods. We have a nice eat-in area here as well. As you can see, this is right in front of the sliders out to the back deck. Give you a glimpse of the backyard. It's a really nice back deck, very large. And this goes right into this really lovely 2-story family room. windows, natural light. Look at that beautiful fireplace. Plenty of room for furniture here. And this gives you a perspective of the family room, the eat-in kitchen, the rest of the kitchen straight ahead, the dining room, and back out to the foyer. We'll be going downstairs into the basement next. Heading down into the basement. Now the basement here is unfinished, but it is really spacious and you could certainly finish it. I just wanted to give you an idea of how much room is down here. Wow. I'm just gonna actually walk it so you can see tons of space down here. This would really be a wonderful basement to finish. Great for a workout area, media room, playroom, a bar. There's so much you can do here. So you can see that there really is just a nice amount of space down here to do whatever you'd like. Heading upstairs. All right, we are heading upstairs. It's a nice runner on the stairs. And I'm going to show you there's a total of 4 bedrooms upstairs, but I'm going to show you the first 3 and then we'll end in the master. This room has nice cushy carpeting. Lots of room. And a walk-in closet. Okay. Here's the next bedroom. Again, that same cushy carpeting, really in great shape. And nice and neutral. Big windows. And this room also has a walk-in closet. Okay, go out to the hallway. I'm just gonna give you a little view from upstairs. Nice 2-story foyer there. Love this bathroom. This was remodeled. And it is really just beautiful. Give you a good look at this. Closet over here. This is the third bedroom out of 4 bedrooms. Love this cushy carpeting. It's so soft under your feet. And this also has a closet. This is not a walk-in, but it has a lot of space here. Going to head into the master bedroom. I'm going to start off with a view of the walk-in closet. Lots of shelving and space in here. I love the window seat here. Master bedroom has a lot of space in here. It's just such a cute, charming, cozy seat here. The bay window. Views of the front of the house. Let's see how much space you have here. And finally, I'm going to take you into the master bath, which has also been remodeled and is gorgeous. Love this vanity. Vessel sink. Love the plumbing, special plumbing right on the wall. Really nice. And you can see that this has double sinks. Pretty piece of furniture here. Nice shower. A lot of room in the shower. And one of my favorite parts, the bathroom has a private deck right out to the backyard. It's so quiet and peaceful out here. And when these trees start filling in, it's so nice and private back here. So there you go, 4515 Red Spruce Lane in Spruce Ridge in Manlius. Please contact us if you're interested in knowing more about this wonderful home. Have a great day.